this video, I'll be teaching you on credit union and thrift society. Credit union and thrift society is the coming together of a group of people with common interests who agree to pool their resources together, from which loan facilities are made available to members at an agreed rate of interest. What are the features of this society? They assist their members in need by producing cash and other facilities. Also, they ensure payments of dividends to their members. They also encourage saving habits. They provide loans at low interest rate for their members. Then how do these societies source for their fund? 1. Deposits by members. If you remember, the definition says they pool their resources together and they grant loans to one another. So a way at which they source for their income is 1. The deposit by members. They also receive loans from commercial banks. Then they sell shares which are purchased by their members. And also registration fee by incoming members is also a source of fund for them as a society. Then what are the advantages of this credit union and thrift society? 1. It's easy to join. It also has excess funds. So sometimes they have excess funds, and these excess funds are returned to their members. And also they have lower fees for services than banks. They offer lower fees and interest rates for services than what banks offer. And also their process of administration is democratic in nature. In their election and in the running of their business, they operate in a democratic system in which members have equal rights to their opinions and to their individual strengths and contributions. Also, let's talk about the disadvantages of this union. 1, it has few branches. That is, it's not popular in every area, especially in the rural areas. And also, not all the societies are insured. In case of theft or bankruptcy, such a credit society might not be insured, and entering into any kind of risk of bankruptcy, they don't have any backing from insurance companies. And also another disadvantage of this credit and thrift society is that they are not technological in nature. They mostly still operate using the manual system of doing things, of making payments, of making transactions. Therefore, not everyone, especially the educated ones, will be interested in joining these societies. They also have fewer options and services to offer their members. Talk more of the members of the society that might be interested in joining this society. Thank you. In our next video, we'll be talking about other forms of business units.